Hi, welcome to my art channel. Thank you for joining me today. So these are all my colours. The first one is TLP Glisten, which is an interference teal. You can see it on the black there. They appear white, but they dry. You can see the colour, especially over dark. And that's equal parts of Triart Silver and Triart Liquid Mirror. Zinc White by Amsterdam, which is a transparent white. I think I've just found a lump. And this is Decoart Pewter, Decoart Extreme Sheen. And then lastly, it's Folkart Colorshift Aqua Flash with just a little bit of Decoart Peacock Pearl, just because I didn't have enough of the colour flash. And the last colour I'm going to show you is, no it's not, Graphite, sorry, Graphite by Amsterdam. And then that colour to the right is Pebeo's Paynes Grey. And what you just saw me put in there is just a little bit more of the Jo Sonja varnish, just because it was a little bit too thick. Now this is my cell activator, mixed with Australian Floetrol, equal parts of Pebeo silver, iridescent silver, and Atelier silver. Now I mixed this a little bit thin, but I did quite like the effect it gave me, just at the one side. It almost looked like shattered glass. So I might think about doing that again. I think I did two and a half parts as usual. Sometimes I do 2 parts, but the paint seemed a little bit thin coming out of the tube, so it was much too thin for the way I like it. Now, if you wonder why I've got all these colours on down for my pillow, I was going to do a split base with that mist tint, brownie colour, but I changed my mind and then went with the teal again because it's such an awesome colour. Canvas is a 12 by 16, 30 by 40 centimetres, and another colour I didn't tell you about, Boom Gel in pearlescent teal. I think I've told you everything now. I also show my embellishing process at the end of this, so if you want to stick around and watch to see how I got the effects, you can see at the end. And thank you all so much for watching and joining me for all my videos. I do appreciate you all so much. Thanks very much, guys. Bye.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, gold feet step over splinters of the moon.
Okay, so what I've done so far is, you saw the still of the actual glue that I put on, and now it's gone clear and tacky, so it's ready for me to put my, what's that? But anyway, ready for me to put my silver leaf on and holographic film. So it's tacky. And these are what I'm going to use. I'll put all the links of these in the description box. That's Pebeo, from a Pebeo kit, silver leaf. That's that one. That is from Funkadelic, I believe the company's called. They're in Australia, but they do ship worldwide as far as I know. Funkadelic, Erbium, laser burnish. That's that one. Holographic effect. And that's another one, I think they call that blue shattered. So those are the three I'm going to be applying to my tacky glue. I'll speed it up now.